What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create best-selling humor retro designs like this using Kittl. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to do is come over to the top right side and click New Project. Next, I'm going to choose the t-shirt size template here. I'm going to come over here to the DPI and type in 300 just to make sure the quality is good, and create. Now, next I'm going to create the graphic that I need for my design. So in order to do that, I'm going to come over to the left side, go to Kittl AI, go to image generator. I already have a prompt that I want to test out. I'm going to come down to vector styles and choose vintage drawing, and now generate image. Okay, they cut off possum tail. Since it cut off the tail of my possum, I'm going to do a raccoon instead and see how that turns out. And I'm choosing an animal for my graphic because 9 times out of 10, that is what is in demand. That's what the customers seem to like. So I'm going to use an animal, and a raccoon is one of them. So here is my image. Now I need to plug in the text. So in order to do that, I'm going to come over to the left side and go up to text, and I'm going to go ahead and add a headline. I'm not sure why this is so small. Let's make it bigger than that. All right, let's go ahead and make this much bigger than what it is. Let's do 700. Okay. All right, I already know what I want my design to say, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug that in real quick. Okay, let me duplicate this so I can add text to the bottom. Okay, let's edit this. All right, so I also know the font size, font style that I want this to be as well. So I'm gonna come on over here to the text style and type in, because normally these designs have a bold text to it, so I'm going to use this one here. Okay, and I want it to be all caps, so let's come over here, uppercase. All right, and I'll need the spacing to be smaller in between the text, so I'm going to come over here and type in number 2. All right, let's close that up a little bit bigger. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing to the top half. Okay, uppercase. And now I'm trying to decide how I want this top half to look. Let me make sure the text size is a similar size. Hold on, let me change the spacing. Okay, center it. Trying to decide, do I like this or do I want to go to transformation and make it go around like an arch. Okay, I think I'm going to just leave it as it was before. So let's go ahead and just do this. Let's keep it simple. Center it. Okay. And now I want to change the color of this design. Well, first off, let me center it a little bit. And I am going to color it red, like a deep red. Okay. Now to make sure everything else is the same shade of red, you just have to come over to color, select the item first, go to color, and then click on this drop tool And I'm gonna select the raccoon and do the same thing. Okay. Oh, that's it. Okay, there we go. Now all I have to do is save it as a PNG with a transparent background and use it as I please. So let's come over here to the right side at the top and go to remove background, optimize quality, and click download. Now I'm going to show you how I would use it for my print on demand shop. All I have to do is go over to Printify, go to upload. Let me upload the design. Okay, and 13 inches is good. That's a decent size. And I'm just going to bring it up. And voila, there you have it. Now I have my very own funny retro design that I can put up. And this is for print on demand. And if you're in-house, you know, you can always use it as a transfer as well. Do as you please, but that is how you can create your very own funny retro design using Kittl. And if you're interested in using Kittl for yourself and creating your own designs, definitely check out my link below where you can use it for free. And if you want to try out their pro plan, I also have a 25% discount code below. If you have any questions, definitely comment below and I will be sure to answer. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys later.